Finally got able to turn the weed eater off. We just got an alert saying that the dust storm is fixing to hit town. Zero visibility. We've been through this before. He's got about 10-15 minutes before he gets caught in it. So I put up the weed eater and come back inside. Oh, I locked the back door. I don't know if he knows that or not. I think I told him. I'll hear him yelling here in a minute. Here he comes. Here comes Daddy. He's fixing to hit Daddy.
So what you think about that side?
He looks real pretty. Oh, I like it.
You like it?
Oh, I like it.
2 cards.
Yeah. Yeah. Trying to close the door.
Lock down.
Lock down the fort.
Like Sam Houston would.
Lock down the fort. How do I turn this thing around?
Where, what? Like towards you?
Ah. Okay.
Well, anyway.
So, our dusty, rag-taggedy butts
I think
made it
turns around when
inside.
it's on if you want to check it.